So, welcome back to episode 8 of the Baby Junk Journal. The first thing I'm going to be doing today is I have one of these manila tags and I glued some fabrics onto it, and now I'm going to sew around each piece to make it look like a patchwork quilt. So let's do that, and then I am probably going to sew another one on top of this to cover up all the stitches, but I'm going to sew around the edges, so you will see that stitching. Alright, let's get going. I need my glasses. So I'm going to just start sewing like across and around each little patch in different stitches. So this first one is going to be a large zigzag. Okay. And I'm just using blue thread for all of the stitching in this book. Alright, now I'm going to go across the top. Let's see if I can get a better angle maybe. And this one we'll do a straight stitch. Actually, I feel like that did not get on there properly, so I'm going to do that again. A little bit over to the side though. Yeah, it was too close to the edge of the fabric. Can't even see it. So here we go. Okay. I can feel like something got caught or something there, but it looks okay. Alright, now I'm going to... Oh, jeepers, sorry guys. Now I'm going to sew around here and here, up here and across here, and then I'll sew around all the edges when I add the other tag. So we will do the zigzag down this way, a large zigzag again. Gotta tuck that fabric back in there. Alright. Stay up. And then across the middle, I think we'll do a small zigzag. Or a medium zigzag. How about that? Okay, so I'm going to cut off all these long tabs, but that's what it looks like on that side, and that's why I want to cover it, but there will be stitching around the edges, so I'm going to cut some of these off and then we'll finish stitching. So now I'm just going to glue this to the back and we'll stitch around it on this side. Okay, it seems to be perfectly lined up. Stitch it around the edges, and then I'll punch a hole and put a tab, or what do you call it? Barometer. I never remember what to call those things. But we're going to do it. Okay, I'm going to start off with a straight stitch across the bottom. And then I'm going to go up halfway up the side with a small zigzag. Now I'm going to switch to a medium zigzag. straight stitch across the top. And the medium zigzag back down there. And now I think I'm going to go to a large zigzag. Alright, so there we have a fabric patchwork tag. Came out pretty good, and then that can be used to journal on there. So I think it looks nice. I've got my crocodile out and my little, I keep wanting to call them grommets, but I know that is not what they are called. But the first thing I'm going to do is I got to punch out whatever's in there. That's the first thing I'm going to do. From my last project. Actually, it's from when I made the book cover, I believe. Alright, so now I'm going to just punch a hole through there. And a lot of times I can't get the fabric to cut off of all the way on mine, so I'm going to get my little scissors and just kind of cut some of that away. I think that's good. Stick it out. And now I need to pick, do I want a shade of purple or turquoise or yellow? I think yellow is not going to show up very well. Oh, that's not even yellow. That's metal. Come on. So this is yellow. I don't think that's going to show up good enough. I don't think the turquoise matches, but let's see. There's like different shades of it. Yeah, turquoise is not my favorite color. What's this one? That's a darker purple. Let's try the purple, because I think I'm going to like purple the best. Actually, I don't like either of them. I guess purple goes okay, but yellow didn't show up well enough, and I didn't like the turquoise. Let's look for a lighter shade of turquoise. Maybe that would work, or a darker purple. Here's the darkest purple. Don't like that one either. Let's try a different shade of this turquoise or aqua. Actually, I like that one the best. Alright, that one it is. Let's just check out. Yeah, that's it. That's the lighter. That's the lightest one. I think. Maybe not. No, it's not the lightest. Let's see what this one looks like. It's even lighter. Let's see. More of a sagey. No. The mid. Not dark light, but medium. There we go. That's the one it's going to be. Alright. Good decision making skills. Let's pinch it. Alright. Get that in there. And pinch. Oh, that looks so pretty. Yeah. This one. Let's see how it looks here. No. Even though it does match the tab, though. Actually, maybe that would be good because it matches the tab. That's where I'm going to keep it for now. Yeah. Keep it there for now. I need to get a topper for it, but we don't have to do that right now. So that's where that's going to go for now, and if I change it, I'll let you all know.